In this video, you'll learn how to send pictures using Gmail on your Android phone step by step in the easiest way possible. First, grab your Android phone and open the Gmail app. Next, tap the Compose button, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen, to start a new email. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address, then add a subject and type your message in the email body if needed. To attach a photo, tap the paperclip or attachment icon at the top of the screen. From the options, select Photos. Your gallery will open. Browse and tap the picture you want to send, then press Select or Done. The image will now be attached to your email. Once everything is ready, tap the Send button at the top right corner. Your photo will be sent successfully. Alternative method, from gallery. There's also another quick way to send pictures directly from your gallery. Open your phone's gallery or the Google Photos app and find the picture you want to share. Tap on the image, then select the Share option, usually at the bottom of the screen. From the list of apps, choose Gmail. This will automatically open a new email with the photo already attached. All you need to do is enter the recipient's email address and tap Send. And that's how you send pictures using Gmail on an Android phone. Whether you use the Gmail app or share directly from your gallery, both methods are quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.